welcome back to e-learning. Now today we are going to learn classes and objects. So what do you mean by classes? Classes is nothing but a one object. For example, if you want to build a one building, so you need a plan for that, for plan like blueprint of that, the scratch copy of that. It's nothing but your class. So in this Python, the class is nothing but a blueprint. Fine. So let me start the practical session. In that, what we are going to do, we will create one simple class and we will define one method. In that method we are calling method, like we are call the method using class function. So first what we are going to do, create a class. So how we are going to create a class employee space id equal to 10, name equal to some name is ABC. After that, now I am defining here method. So what I'll do, def display self print here self dot id equal to self dot name. Now what I will create an object of a class, like I want to call this function or this method to my here below. So what I will create an object, so emp equal to employee and now emp. Now this object, what will do, this object will call my display function. So emp dot display. Okay, now this is okay. Now just save this program and now we are going to run this program. So what we are going to do, just go here and cmd. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am running this program, python space classes dot py. See, 10.abc, it's printing. Now here we have created one class and in that we have defined one method, and this method will self-defined. And now here emp employee emp dot display. Okay, now what we are going to do next is we are creating, this is a simple class and object. Now if I want to create a constructor, what is mean by constructor and how it's going to be work, that we are going to check. So now next will be the constructor. Constructor is nothing but it is by default created in every class. Okay, now in this here it is created this function. Without constructor no any class will not get, by default the constructor will going to call this. So now we are going to check the constructor in Python. So or you can say that constructor is a built-in function. Student space. Now first of all I will create a one class student student count equal to 0. Next, def init. So here it is def underscore init. It is an inbuilt function for creating a constructor. Self. Now I am passing here object of the method. Now here I am giving the one one tab. After that, okay, next student equals student dot count equals to student dot count plus 1. Okay, now I want to call this method, so I will just create one object of the class. By default this constructor will call. In constructor there are two types, parameterized constructor and non-parameter constructor. So this is without parameter constructor. Now I am creating class of object student here I have created the class of object. Now I want to print this value. It is auto increment program, so what it will increment the number. So for that I need to give one print statement. Print the number of student comma s1 dot count. Okay, now just run this program, save, and this class name is Python space classes dot com p1. See, this number is incremented by 1. Here I have given count equals to 0. If I give you here 2, so the increment will be definitely 3. Okay, see, so this is your constructor. In constructor we have given without parameter. Now next type is we will give some parameter. In parameter what we are going to say, we will here give the id and name, id comma name. Okay, now I just remove this line of code and I am just giving self dot id equals to id. Next, self dot name equal to name. So now if I am passing this value in my class, so what I'll pass two values, one id and one name. Okay, now I am going to say I will create another method for displaying. To display self, this object self, enter print ID and name self dot id comma self dot name. Okay, now what I am going to do, I have already created this object. Now I will just call the display function, because here I have s1 dot display okay. Let's run the program. Now I have to give here parameter. In class I have to pass some few parameters. So here I will pass 1 comma abc. Okay, now this count will also get removed. Okay, what it's giving, okay, display. Okay, now see here id and name is 1 abc. So here just I will specify. Okay, okay, now abc. So this is my constructor with parameter. So now in this video we have studied classes and object, constructor, constructor without parameter, constructor with parameter. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe the channel. Thank you.